Hello YouTubers, this is Hit 'em Hard here. I just wanted to show you all my new Ruger 1022 that I picked up yesterday. Got it at Williams Gun Shop in Auburn, Michigan. My whole intent yesterday was to go pick up a stainless steel Ruger, and I didn't like it very much. My dad noticed this 22 here with a beautiful walnut stock on it, and I couldn't resist. So it was a little more expensive. It was $309 plus tax, and I just couldn't resist. I mean, it's just beautiful. The stock on this is something to be had for. I did get a scope for it right away too, a 3x9 Simmons. As you can take a look right there. Just a nice 22. They're fun to shoot and they're cheap to shoot, so. Anyway, thought I'd make a short video of it and show all you guys that are interested anyway. Take care, and I'll talk to y'all later.